Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today's video is going to be a short little video of me showing you how I use the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. So I posted my Ulta haul last Friday and I admit that I may have kind of raved about this product, but I did have a lot of questions, so I thought it might be helpful if I actually show you how I use this $30 dry shampoo. And then we'll maybe feed a chameleon blueberries later in today's video. We're gonna have some time. This is very quick, I'm telling you. And in case you're stumbling upon this video, I'll make sure to repeat some things and give you a quick little review of this Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Okay, so first of all, my hair is freshly washed. Yes, this is what it looks like immediately after shampooing and after shampooing and conditioning twice. Am I the only one that does that? I always use it twice just to make sure, and my hair still looks dirty. So my hair is washed and dried, and what I'm gonna do is spray in 6 different sections across my head. Now, I do not have a comb because in the process of moving, that's one of the things that did go missing, but we can make it work. We can just separate my hair with my fingers. Also, because I don't have a mirror, this may not actually look as good on camera. Yeah, maybe I should figure out a way to actually have a mirror in front of me, but I don't. So ideally, the principle here, in case I mess it up myself, is you're spraying at the roots. And I'm gonna be spraying, I'd say about 6 or so inches. I'm just separating my hair out so I get to the scalp, right? I wanna get to a part that doesn't exist and hit that with the dry shampoo. What I like so much about this one, I just did a really quick little spray, and that's all I need to do. My regular part. This particular section is actually really important for me personally, so I might spray a little more right here. One of the questions I was asked is how this holds up for workouts. Just fine, as long as I make sure to spray right here. If you wear your hair up, you may also want to do that. So at this point, you might see some white residue in my hair from where I sprayed the dry shampoo, but here's the tip that I have for you. I'm going to kind of let this sit on my hair for just a moment, and then I'm going to massage it all over my scalp. I really think that's the tip here, the trick. I think that what you want to do with dry shampoo to prevent that white residue is massage it all over your scalp. So that way you hit all of the areas of your scalp so no part looks dirty and you don't have any residue left behind. So while we let that sit for a moment, let me really quickly tell you why I like this one so much. So you saw how little of this I'm ultimately spraying into my hair. My favorite part of this is that I only have to do this once, and the effect lasts for up to 3 days. With most dry shampoos, I do have to spray every single night. I'm a night dry shampoo user. Some people use it in the morning. But I have to spray every single night or my hair will start to look really dirty. So for me, that's what I'm inferring is the meaning of this advanced word. I think it's advanced. You don't need as much. You don't need to use it as much. Also, one kind of general comment, this is something that I talked about back in my dry shampoos comparison. Living Proof stands out to me as a brand because they don't use any kind of silicones in their dry shampoos. Checking this one to make sure I'm right. Yeah, that stands out. Almost every dry shampoo on the market has some silicone. Now, I'm not anti-silicone. There's nothing wrong with silicones. They're great for smoothing your hair. But I think that because my hair is so prone to looking dirty, I think that anything that could have a shiny type of look to it doesn't benefit my hair type. So I'm going to start massaging it into my scalp like I was mentioning earlier, and while I'm doing this, I'm actually going to feel around for any sections where I think I may need more dry shampoo. It seems that we need some. It's right under here. That makes sense. That is certainly an area I kind of neglected in my 6 sections, so we'll do that. You know, and what I'm doing is just really a nice, relaxing scalp massage, no matter how you look at it. It's nice. It's nice. So now I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my hair, just in case we had any residue left behind, which you can see and I can't. This will help to fix that. And my hair's already brushed out, which is why I'm starting at the scalp, just to be clear. This brush right here is actually the Tangle Teaser. They've updated their design Oh, I'm so happy. I used to use the little round ones that didn't have a handle, and I loved how they work. They really do take out tangles. But every time I brushed my hair, I threw that little tangle teaser into the wall. God, please tell me it's not just me. Am I that clumsy? It's possible. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, excuse me, patience is a virtue. So I've grabbed Carl, the more colorful of the two chameleons. Whoa, 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 he's very entertaining, but he's also a little bit feisty. He's a little feisty. He's probably going to get grumpy, but I've also got the blueberries for him. Mm-hmm. This particular chameleon was very grumpy. Initially, he didn't like being held at all. He didn't like people at all. He just wanted to go who knows where, but we won him over with this blueberry thing. And who doesn't find it incredibly fun to feed chameleons blueberries? You're spoiled, Carl. But that's it for the dry shampoo review. I hope it was helpful. I don't think everybody needs to run out and buy this, but I will tell you, if your hair type is similar to mine, if you relate to what I was saying about having dirty hair when it's clean, you may like it as much as I do. But you know, some people don't even need dry shampoo, and I'm jealous of those people. What are you so upset about? You want more? Unhappy colors. Unbelievable. I gave you 3 blueberries, and you're unhappy. But if you are interested in purchasing it, I will have a link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and make sure to hit like and subscribe if you want to, although probably worth noting this is not typically a hair care nor a chameleon channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.